Salam alaikum guys, what's up? It does the next day, bro. This guy, he don't have any clothes, he does his towel. Don't show him, bro. Hey you guys, look at how cool. I'm just done
I'm only gonna show my head.
I'm just done taking a bath, bro. Now. It's literally 2 p.m. in the afternoon. I just finished taking a bath. And me, I take a long time in the bath. I take 30 minutes. So long, bro. And now I have to. Where are you before? Where did you go? A bath parlor? Or doing what? He did go bath. He's just wasting time. I tell you from that time to bath. Now he's playing. You can slap him so he could be good. Now I am gonna. Hey yo guys, I have to go do the dishes because today is my turn. This boy right here just finished doing. So you should go watch me. I'm gonna install xrecorder in Play Store. If you know that, I'm here gonna play games in my phone. Okay, games by games like that. That's what I all wanna say. See you. Assalamu alaikum.